What if I told you that two people that love each other deeply made a promise to die on the same day? In a small village surrounded by red earth, road and tall palm trees, lived an old couple everyone admired. They had been married for over 50 years, yet their love never faded. Every morning, Baba Tunde will wake up before sunrise, sweeping the compound while singing old song. Mama Sidi watch him, and just by the doorway, Mama Sidi would sit quietly watching him with a smile only love can create. Please, as you are watching, do not forget to comment on the comment section. Tell me, which country are you watching this story from? Thank you. Mama Cindy, why are you still working so hard? Baba today, if I do not, another man might take you away from me. So I need to work hard. Many years ago, under the full moon, they made a promise to each other. Mama Cindy said, I do not want to live without you. Baba Tunde, then let us leave this world together. Same day, and with nothing but clipped ends, they seal a promise that would outlive time. Then one harmattan morning, everything changed. Mama Sidi fell ill. Baba Tunde's worried face, what started as a simple cough, became something more serious. Mama Cindy, did you still remember our promise? Baba Tunde, I remember, Mama Cindy. I think today is the day. Baba Tunde, then I will not be late. That night, they lay side by side. Baba Tunde, are you afraid? Mama Sidi, no, not with you. Then, slowly, and then it stopped. The next morning, they were found lying side by side, holding hands, face peacefully. The next day, people gossip about them. Some people in this world feared being alone, but they did not. They lived together, they loved together, and they left this world together. If this story touched your heart, like, share, and subscribe for more powerful story, because true love